Good morning, fresh morning, everyone. Narsingdi, whoever are watching from Narsingdi, including Farhan. I'm really sorry, I haven't come here. I was going to Kishoreganj, but due to having problems, I had to stop here. Okay, because the bus stopped due to, I think, engine problems. So what can be done? Then I thought I should make a video. Right now I'm here at Madhubdi in Narsingdi. I am going to Kishoreganj to meet one of my friends, and it will take I think 1 hour to reach Kishoreganj. I have just crossed Naranganj. Assalamu alaikum, whoever are watching me from Kishoreganj. You have to go to Kishoreganj from Dhaka and come to Dhaka from Kishoreganj by this bus on the super. But the problem is their authority, their company is not that much good because today I have faced a very big problem. It's an awful situation right now. I had to stop at Madhubdi in Narsingdi. I was going to Kishoreganj. Right now I'm on the way to Kishoreganj. But as you can see, the bus suddenly stopped due to having some problems, engine problems. Most importantly, the company knew this matter, but they didn't fix up about this issue, about this problem, about this trouble and this horrible situation. They knew that there is a problem in the meter, in the engine, but they didn't fix the problem. So what should be done? And also, I have come to know there's not enough oil, much oil or diesel. So that's why the engine didn't work, stopped working right now. So what can be done? What can I do right now? As an English teacher, I should translate this situation. English is not for you. English is for everyone. English is not for the situation in the classroom. English is a language. We have to speak in English all the time, everywhere. Right now, I'm here facing problems. I should translate. Start translating. This is called language. If you are able to say something about this situation, that means you are able to speak in English. If you cannot, that means there is still problem. Please keep improving your spoken English, watching Media Son's video. I'm an English content creator in Bangladesh. I love making videos, visiting different types of places. As you know, English is a language. We have to face different new situations so that we can learn many things. If we don't know Bangla, how will I speak English? If you're the beginner, at first you have to speak Bengali properly. Start translating Bengali. After that, if you're the intermediate learner, you should stop speaking Bengali. In lieu of speaking Bengali, you can speak Bangla. All right? And public speaking, it's a different skill. If you want to be good at speaking in the public place, you have to avoid your shyness at first. If you cannot avoid your shyness, you cannot avoid your fear. You're still scared of speaking in a public place. You are still scared of speaking in front of an audience. A presentation. You're still not bad at. You know enough vocabulary. You have many vocabularies in your stomach, but the problem is you cannot speak. You can listen to English, you can understand English, you can write English, you can read English. It is still, you're being an English teacher, you can't speak in English. It's a shame. Please be serious, keep speaking English. And I'm really sorry. The company on Super, Kishoreganj, Dhaka, Golabbag, Saidabad. We are sorry. Are we really sorry? You should be sorry for this matter. I don't have enough time. One of my friends called me in order to go to Kishoreganj. I suddenly went to Saidabad. I came to the Dhaka from Gopalganj. Still, I'm tired. Couldn't sleep properly. Now on the way to Kishoreganj, what can I do? How can I go to Kishoreganj right now? And they told us another bus is coming. But the problem is, will we be able to get a good seat? Uh, will the seat be taken? We don't know. Okay. By the way, thank you very much, my dear friends, for watching my video, and thanks for your patience in listening to me, including female. There are almost 50 passengers. Now, what will they do, including some babies? If they have any problems, if they have to go to washroom, what will they do? We are just stuck on the way to Kishoreganj at North India. Hey, Anonna Super Company, are you watching us? Whose problem is this? Who didn't fix the problem? For him, we are facing this trouble, this awful, this very bad situation. 50 people are waiting. Many people have many plans. I thought and I heard that their service was up to the mark. My friend called me, please take on the super bus, and it should be gate lock, not local service. Yeah, did it. deadlock service, but still. So, my dear friends, honestly speaking, I just came to know the owner is sleeping. Bus driver and helper contractor, they are trying to keep in touch, trying to call him, but he's sleeping. The owner and the manager, the supervisor, they are sleeping now because they have already collected money per ticket 380 taka, almost 400 taka. There are 50 people. Can you believe it? Because it's a language, then this is the perfect way, suitable way to practice your spoken English. All right, because English is a language. You are now speaking Bengali, facing this situation, overcoming it. By speaking Bengali, you have to speak English. Those who would like to go to Kishoreganj by Anonna Super, I would not recommend this bus. Okay, because they didn't take it last night. They went to Kishoreganj, came back to Dhaka, but they even don't know is there oil or not. Still, I am making video and they are looking at me. They are thinking about that. Maybe this brother is talking something about our today's circumstances. Not really. I'm an English teacher. I'm an English content creator, and that's why I'm speaking English and trying to explain this horrible, terrible, bad, awful situation, right? Oh my God. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Keep watching.